Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we have got few of the work from home, the remote job opportunities as well. So we'll share those details with you. So let me share the details. So Q Services is hiring for the QA engineer as well as for .NET developer. So the location is Mohali and they are looking for immediate joiner. So they are looking for someone who has got good communication skill set and can join immediately. See, these days, most of the companies are emphasizing on immediate joining because if you will showcase 3 months of notice period or 2 months of notice period, they might feel this particular candidate might back out. Okay. Then there's a requirement for estate role, manual plus automation. Experience required is 3+ years, and the location is remote. This is again for the immediate joiners, and they are looking for someone who has got good hands-on experience with Playwright plus TypeScript. Okay, so good knowledge of Java or Python, exposure to Selenium or Cypress would be a plus point. Excellent communication skills, and this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Then Accenture is hiring for multiple QA roles, and you can share the details to this particular email address. They are looking for, let me show you those details as well. So they are looking for various testing positions are there. Okay. So as you can see, for automated testing, Gurugram, and with respect to Hyderabad, they are looking for Tosca automation tool. Then for Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, they are looking for Selenium. So multiple testing roles are there. So you can apply for these particular positions today itself, right? And here is a referral email address also that I have shared with you. And I'll be putting all these details in the first comment of the video so that it becomes easier for you to apply. Then Cognizant is also hiring for multiple automated testing roles across experience levels. So you can see 5 to 12 years automated test lead. Location is Chennai. Automation architect, 8 to 15 years. Location is Hyderabad. Then SDET role, skill set is rest assured, Selenium, Playwright, Java, Postman, TestNG, and Maven. Location is Chennai. Performance testing, 5 to 10 years. Skill set is tools like JMeter, Load Runner, and location is Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Bangalore. Then there is a requirement for the interns at Terotem Tech Labs Private Limited, and they are looking for support interns, PC interns, AI/ML plus data analyst intern. Location is Ahmedabad. The internship duration would be 6 months, and there is a bond for 1.6 years, no stipend for 6 months. So you have to take care of these particular things before applying. So that's why we are getting all such kind of details that if there is no stipend, so those details also we are covering for you so that tomorrow you apply at a proper particular place itself. So this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV and this is the contact number. Then there's a requirement for automation lead. Location is Gansoli, Navi Mumbai. Experience is 8+ years. Notice period is 1 month. 6 days work from office, mandatory to sign 1 year bond. And interview mode would be walk-in and it would be alternate Saturdays off. So they are looking for someone who knows Selenium with Java, Cucumber, BDD, TestNG, automation framework from scratch, Java coding, proficiency in automation tools like Selenium, APM, or similar knowledge of programming languages, Java, Python, C Sharp. So all these things are required. And you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for GuideWire QA engineer. Location is Hyderabad, and the experience required is 5 to 8 years. Interview mode would be face to face at client location. And the roles and responsibilities are QA and validation for GuideWire Policy Center and Claim Center. Perform functional regression and end-to-end testing. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to support releases. So these all things are required. Okay. And you should be flexible to support the late evening hours up to 11 p.m. IST. So that's their requirement. Then there is one more remote QA manual testing engineer role, and that is for insurance domain. 4+ years of experience is required, and here they are looking for someone who has got the experience in insurance domain. So insurance domain is a must. See these kind of domains. At times you'll see the jobs specific to domain specific hiring. For example, insurance domain, capital investment banking based domain, e-commerce based domain. So this kind of domains are also in demand. So when you are preparing for the things, make sure you have the basic idea of such kind of domains, because you would get questions in an interview for them. Okay. Then Hexaware automation. Okay, Hexaware is also hiring experienced QA automation engineer, 6+ years of experience, and the job location is Bangalore and well as it is Hyderabad. So you can submit your details at this particular link. And the skill set that they are looking is for Playwright, Cypress, APM, Selenium. And here is a role overview that they have provided. Implement automated test suites using Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, or APM. Integrate automation with CI/CD. Troubleshoot failures and improve test reliability. Define quality signals and metrics. So these are the things that they are looking for. I'll also put this link in the first comment of the video itself so that you can refer it and you can apply for the same. Right? So let me show you the positions for which Accenture is hiring, and we have got the referral email address as well. So these are all the positions for which Accenture is hiring currently. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.